gonna explore the Berjaya Times Square, guys. I think it's just a mall. Alright, well, let's see what they have here. This is Berjaya Times Square here. Here in Bukit, Bintang. I think I'm gonna grab some coffee. Let's see if they have any coffee around here. Going up the west side. There's Starbucks over there, but I'm gonna try to get something else besides Starbucks. I think this is the top level here. I'm trying to look for the food court. Let's see. Wow. There's actually multiple levels, guys. Alright, so they have a jungle gym here. This would be great for the kids. I'm going to see if I can get a top shot. Alright, so you can see. Hello! The kids would love this. Right here. The Jungle Gym Family Interactive Adventureland. Alright guys, so this is a top shot. It's pretty big. I mean, that's not everything right there. That's more stores and maybe a game room up there. But this is the playground. Right? Look at that slide. See the slide right there with the lights going down? So if you guys have kids and you're going to Malaysia, check out the Berjaya Times Square. They have this really cool playground. That's where you pay. Okay, so it looks like the fun pass is 86 ringgit. I'll post it on the video what that translates to in USD, and then the Guardians are 68 ringgit. There's a Fun Pass 1 and a Fun Pass 2, and then there's, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a cinema straight ahead, and then looks like, oh, you see a dinosaur right there in the dining room. That place is called the Food Tree. This place is freaking big, look. I don't know if this is included, but look, there's like, I guess it is because it's called Jungle Gym. But look, this person's doing some rock climbing. This area is like doing obstacles, like obstacle arena. Look at this dude right here. What if he falls down? Oh, this guy. So you might have to be a certain height to do this stuff here. And then there's like the game area over here. Wow. Interesting. And then there's like, yeah, a little obstacle thing there. I thought it was zip line, but it's not. I saw a lot of this trending on TikTok. There's like Dubai chocolate, and then there's a Dubai chocolate drink. I mean, I'd be open to trying it. There's a snooker club right there, like a pool room, billiard. So we're gonna go up here. Seriously, man, they've got everything in here. They have a bowling alley. Bowling alley right here. Uh-oh. Got some copyright music. Pool tables there. Snack bar. They have everything in here, and if you look outside here, I just went up one more level, but there's restaurants all over the place. A lot of food options. So let's see. Whoa. They even have a 7-Eleven for those of you who are on a budget like me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm here for work, so I'm on a budget. There's your McDonald's. So we were here before. Oh my goodness, look guys, it's an actual roller coaster. There is a roller coaster. Look, it goes all the way here. I don't know if it's working. And so this is the jungle gym here. And then this right here with the roller coaster is called the Berjaya Times Square theme park. Wow. We're gonna try to go on another higher level so you guys can see this. So it says the Times Square theme park here, level 5. Look, Times Square theme park. Man, I really want to see that roller coaster. That'd be really cool to see the roller coaster. Have the mall right there. I'm not gonna make a video of that. And then they have, look, drift mode. Let's see what drift mode is. It's 20 ringgit on the weekday. On the weekends, it's 25 ringgit. Yeah. So this is called drift mode right here. Let's see how it looks like. It's kind of dark, so I'm not sure if you can see it. It's okay, I mean, at least you have the option. There's nobody riding it right now. And then of course they have roller skating. Roller skating here. There's only one person roller skating. Times Square theme park. Another angle of the roller coaster, and it goes all the way over there on the other side. Man, I really want to see this. They have different rides there on the other side as well. Let's take the stairs here. Taking the stairs. Okay, see, they have, there's another ride going on over there. Just exploring. I mean, there's a lot of things to see here. You can definitely spend a lot of money. Look, they have laser tag. Laser tag. This must be laser tag right here. Oh, look. So look off in the distance over there. They have those rides going on. Wow. So let's see what they have over here. It's crazy because the roller coaster is all through there, and it extends out here to the left side here as well. Right here. Wow. See, look, it's all through there. But I don't think anyone is riding on it. There's a souvenir shop right there. Alright, let's... Crazy. Alright, you guys are probably getting bored of this place, so let's go somewhere else. So check this out. So I think this is the highest floor up here, which says it's all the way up to 10 floors. And then just look down, it goes all the way to the ground floor. Well, I think the ground floors are there. But it's cool though that they have these nets, so I don't know if they had some suicidal people in the past, but if you decide that you want to jump down, it'll be there's a safety net. See on the other side, and there's safety net here as well. This place is like humongous, I'm telling you. That was Berjaya, guys. Look, there's a Taco Bell. There's all kinds of stuff here. It's not... There's a Subway, Zeus Coffee. Let's see what else they have. I mean, it's not like a food court. But there's different kinds of restaurants all clustered up with clothing, merchandise. Oh, there's a Luckin Coffee, Empire Sushi. So we are on the ground level now. I'm in the mood for Taco Bell. So what did you guys think of Berjaya? Just like an average mall, I guess. Mercedes there. Alright, so time to go back to the hotel.